CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2 Given a scenario, perform OS installations and upgrades in a diverse environment. Drive formatting. After installing a new storage device, there are a few important steps required before it can be used. The first step is initializing the drive. Initializing a drive is the process of preparing a disk so the operating system can recognize it, by defining its partition style. A partition style determines how the drive organizes partition information, with the two most common options being MBR, or Master Boot Record, and GPT, or GUID partition table. Without initialization, the operating system cannot properly interact with the disk. Once a drive has been initialized, the next step is partitioning, which is the process of dividing the drive into one or more usable sections, called partitions. Each partition acts like its own separate storage space, allowing the operating system to organize data more efficiently. We actually covered partitioning in detail in a previous video segment, where we explored concepts like MBR and GPT, as well as how partitions are structured. But it's worth briefly revisiting here, because partitioning plays a critical role in preparing a drive for formatting. Without at least one partition, there would be no defined space for the operating system or files to exist. After a drive has been initialized and partitioned, the next step is formatting. Formatting is the process of preparing a partition for use by creating a file system so the operating system can store, organize, and retrieve data. At this point, it's helpful to briefly revisit the concept of a file system. A file system is the method an operating system uses to manage data on a storage device, including how files are named, stored, and accessed. As covered in Exam Objective 1.1, different file system types exist, but the key idea here is that formatting applies one of those file systems to the partition so it becomes usable. Without formatting, a partition technically exists, but it cannot store data in a meaningful way. It would be like having an empty filing cabinet with no folders or labels. There is space available, but no system in place to organize or retrieve anything. There are also different types of formatting, but we will cover those in more detail later in the course when we discuss low-level and standard formatting. For now, just understand that formatting is the step that makes a partition functional and ready for use by the operating system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.